Hey, this is Paul. There's a lot going on at our firm. And so the blog below on digital assets was inspired by a phone call I actually took. Somebody coming in and saying, hey, I've got some planning in place, will and trust, but I've got this big investment in crypto assets and it's not accounted for in my planning. So what we're helping this person with is, okay, how do you integrate it with your living trust? How do you guard it from unforeseen liability? If life throws you a curveball, you get in a car accident or you got a tax liability or whatever's going on, those assets can be attacked and would be attacked. And so we're meeting with this person now and getting their crypto assets covered as far as their big picture planning. And it all gets into digital assets. Do you have digital assets? And have you thought about how to integrate them into your overall planning? People have, ebooks these days, websites, obviously crypto investments, all that stuff. Make sure you don't leave that out of your planning. A couple other notes when I'm talking about asset protection and rental property owners, great business, comes with a liability footprint if you own rental property. And we had a case recently where a new client was living at their house and had a lawful unit in the back renting it out to somebody who had a business, but they had an office off-site where they were seeing clients. Well, they had a client come onto the property, the owner knew about it, and this client got hurt on the property of this renter in this unit, and so a lawsuit followed. And the insurance company said, hey, you don't have the right type of insurance for this scenario because this is a unit in the back and it was work related for this person. So insurance was trying to get out of it and there was no asset protection. And a liability like this can blow up to the owner of that property and expose all their assets to this person getting hurt on their property. It just can be cancerous and infect everything. So if you own rental income property, think about asset protection. Make sure you're guarded. And this is true if you own a business, stocks, bonds, and cash, all of it. That is just a reminder, that story of you never know where liability is going to come from. Then on the estate planning side, laws are changing with estate planning coming up here. And so our attorneys are very busy helping clients understand the changes in the laws for estate planning, how to take advantage of the existing laws right now and lock in certain strategies before these changes take place. And don't forget the Corporate Transparency Act. It's a new federal law impacting people who own legal entities, LLCs, corporations, other entities. And the government, through the U.S. Treasury and the Financial Crimes and Enforcement Division, is requiring you to file beneficial ownership information with the government. It's a big deal. There's $591 a day penalties. They're not messing around. So that is always something we're working on. So there you go. And read that blog below. You'll love it. Reach out. We have a complimentary assessment. You can get one-on-one with an attorney for a refresher on your planning, or you need to put planning in place. All good. Thanks.